Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if USB drive not working in Windows 11 operating system. So you may occasionally receive a message saying that USB device not recognized, or you may discover that USB device is not functioning after plugging a USB drive into your Windows 11 computer. Consequently, you won't be able to access any saved file on the USB drive, and it will become inaccessible from the file explorer, and sometimes it is not even showing up in the file explorer. The most frequent of these is the USB drive not recognized error, and it is usually related with the USB controller or the device drivers and certain power saving features. While it can be challenging to identify the precise cause of USB device failure on a Windows 11 computer, still, you can try out some fixes I will be sharing next in this video until your USB drive or the device starts working again. Let's get started with solution number 1. In this case, I suggest some general solutions you can try. So first solution is to analyze the USB device. Make sure that it is not physically broken or damaged. In case if it is physically broken or damaged, then repair or replace is the only option, and the next solution I'll share may not work. If you realize that the USB device is perfectly from the physical point of view, then you can try restarting the PC first. As soon as you discover the problem, simply right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart, and see if after restarting the Windows 11 device your USB device is shown up or working properly. Solution number 2. Right click on the start button and select device manager. When the device manager opens, expand universal serial bus controllers category. Locate your USB device here. On the general tab, pay attention to the location. See what port your USB device is currently plugged into. See, sometimes USB devices may need a specific port to work. In case if you have plugged it in a different port which is not compatible for the USB device, it may not work. So carefully check the port on your device or the laptop or the PC, and make sure the USB device is plugged into the port for which it is built. Then we have solution number 3. Do a right click on the start button and select device manager. In case if your USB device is not recognized or being shown up in the file explorer, it may be usually listed in the device manager under the other devices category, and it should be having a yellow triangle exclamation mark next to its name, like the one you can see in the video. In case if your USB device is completely invisible in the device manager, you can click on view and then select show hidden devices. After this, your not recognized USB device should be shown up like this, and you have to simply do a right click on it and select uninstall device. Then click uninstall in the confirmation prompt, then click action, then click scan for hardware changes. See if this resolves the problem automatically. Sometime if the problem is not resolved, you may have to think some other solution. Simply double click on the USB device to understand what the problem is. So here if I double click on this USB device, you can see that the device status is the drivers for this device are not installed. There are no compatible drivers for this device, and I have update driver button as well. So from here I can update the driver, or you can also do a right click on the USB device and select update driver. Now here you can click on the search automatically for drivers and see if the drivers are installed automatically. Since this is a USB device, you may usually see Windows was unable to install your universal serial bus controller error, and in this case Microsoft suggests that you must install the downloadable drivers for the USB device from the device manufacturer's website. Then we have solution number 4. This solution is dedicated to the problem where USB devices keep disconnecting or disappearing automatically. You have to simply open the device manager, locate the USB device under universal serial bus controllers, Double click on the USB device and in the property sheet go to power management tab. There you have to uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option. Click OK, and now onwards your USB device won't be disconnecting automatically. And lastly, we have solution number 5. The USB selective suspend power feature may be another issue that can be happening with the USB devices, and Windows usually cut power to a USB device if it believes it is not in use. So you can temporarily try disabling the selective suspend option. To do this, you have to simply search for the edit power plan using Windows search, and it will then take you to the control panel, hardware and sound, power options, and then edit plan settings. Click on change advanced power settings. Now in the power options window, on the advanced tab, first select your power plan, for example balanced. Then here you will be able to locate the USB settings, expand USB settings, then expand USB selective suspend setting, and if the setting is set to enabled, all you need to do is just set it to disabled. Click apply followed by OK, and after doing this, check the status of the problem. In case if you still face the issue, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.